Welcome back to my loft makeover part 3. I really do hope that this is the last part of this makeover so that I don't have to drag you on for another week. But as you can see, I have fitted the wallpaper, which I will show you now. See, I ended up putting the whole wallpaper up with a staple gun. I thought this way, when we do rip out the loft, I can just remove all the staples and I can remove the wallpaper and use it again. There's definitely loads of things I'll be able to do with it. So yeah, I think that's a really good way to kind of do something temporary, is staple stuff up and you can just take the staples out. So I'm thinking if we've got a bathroom or anything really, this can be used in that. So today I'm going to finish off the floor. So what I've got is a piece of dado, or not dado, I'm not even sure what it's called, moulding, that's it, which I'm going to paint green, and then I'm going to stick it here, like that. Obviously it'll be green. Oh, stick it there like that, green, just to add that sort of frame to the wallpaper. I think it desperately needs that. And what I'm going to do is, because this space is temporary and I don't really want to waste these, I'm going to just glue them on. I'll put, a moderate amount of glue on, and this is wallpapered, so when it comes to removing everything, I will take this down and the wallpaper down and keep them so that I can use them in another project. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to start painting this green. So I've just given these mouldings one coat. I'll come back in 20 minutes, give them a second coat, maybe half an hour, and then I'm going to whack them straight on the wall. I think I need to ramp up the pace a little bit. Okay, so I definitely think it looks a lot better with the picture moulding. I'm not going to obviously do this section yet until I've completely finished the wallpaper over there, and then I'll stick the other one on, and I'll probably need just another piece there. But yeah, I think it definitely looks... Oh, look at this sun. It definitely looks better if I crop it in like that. Oh God, the sunshine. It looks a lot nicer. So yeah, I'm happy that I've put that on now. It's quite small, but it's a subtle, if I try and hide, it's a subtle but very important part of that, I think. Yeah, I'm happy. Okay, so to try and combat my green paint shortage, this is probably going to be a bad idea, but I've got a lot of this teal 01 left, which is in my hallway, and although I do love the colour, very like sweet, teal's meant to be green, but it's definitely a blue, and I'm not a blue kind of girl. I love the colour, but I'm not a blue kind of girl, so I don't think I'm going to use this teal one anywhere else. So I've got it's really heavy, so there's quite a lot left there, and obviously I do still have a bit black 01 left. And I also have an electric paint mixer. Which way does it go? That way. So I'm thinking, do I pour a bit of black into the teal, mix it up, see what colour we've got, because then I'll have nearly 2.5 litres of whatever paint that is. It's either going to be a great idea or it's going to be a shocking idea. But either way, let's find out together. Chuck a bit more black in. Right, I've got a plan. So I'm going to go and get a Beijing 3. Be right back. Right, so I'm going to pour some of this in and hopefully the warmth will turn it green. I'm just going to honestly load it up. Oh, look at that warmth. There's quite a lot there. Okay, so it's now Sunday morning and I've had time to think whether I'm going to go and use the teal I mixed up yesterday. I'm just going to go for it. I can't wait much longer really because I want to start bringing the bed up, and the best time to do the ceiling and this is when there's nothing in here. So I am literally just going to go for it today, get the first coat on, perhaps a second coat later today, I don't know. Got a very busy week this week, so I won't have time to do it in the week, so I really want to get as much as I can done today. And then let's just get into it. I've got my my dust sheet to protect the newly done floor, and yeah, let's paint the teal. Okay, so I feel like the white radiator kind of sticks out like a sore thumb now. Like it doesn't really do anything other than make everything else look weird. So I did a poll on Instagram. Should I paint the radiator? I gave 2 options, either to paint it green or to paint it black. And the winner by far was black. So that is what I am doing right now. I'll try and make this really quick because my battery's about to go. But last night we moved the bed up here, and it's funny because one half of the room is done and the other half is chaotic. I don't know if you can see. It's really bright in here, but it's so much warmer up here. Like this morning we woke up and it was still like 18 degrees up here, whereas downstairs not so much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop to B&M tonight and I'm going to try and style the bed because this is a makeover and I feel like the bed is not doing this like cool loft vibe any justice. I'm also going to put up some lights as well. So I have these 2 like under shelf brackets which I'm gonna try and command strip onto the wall so I don't have to actually screw anything in, and then I'm gonna paint these black and I'm gonna wrap around some rope which is actually got electric running through it. So it's a light. So that's what I'm going to put either side of the bed, and I'm going to go to B&M now to go look at some of the bedding. So yeah, come with me.
Good morning, guys. So today I am due to change the bed up and try and style it so that it's just a little bit more designed than this. So the green, funnily enough, was for the room downstairs, and now obviously it's just, I actually don't think it looks that bad green considering everything else is green. But I am going to be swapping it out for white bedding, so let's get straight into it. Okay, and then to just finish it off, I've just added something that somebody might have for breakfast, some strawberries, some oats, just to kind of give it that interior type of thing you'd see in a department store look. And yeah, I think apart from a few tweaks down here and the grey sheet, I think it's looking pretty good.